party tune, terabyte of rhythm fi one. All the radio cruising a rhythm a fi mash up the dance all the nation, the station, the studio. Rhythm agendo kulala buli munga sinamu anyenya kali bentole namsalako kapaganye basanganye ngabatingana olawulira ku rhythm ngabadingana mother keys with mother keys when no rhythm a fi mash up the dance all the nation, the station, the studio. Rhythm agendo kulala buli munga sinamu anyenya kali bentole singane kukasiye kwanga mlego step up passing my haters all agwan scatter me want to because you me gone make you weak namsalako kapaganye basanganye ngabatingana.
Hello everybody, this is Giramata with another lesson. Just thought about teaching you a few words about the mountains. Our lesson for today is called Imisozi, means mountains, plural. Musozi means mountain. So this is what I'm going to teach you today about this beautiful mountain. If you want to say it's hot, Harashushe. Harashushe means it's hot. If it's cold, you say Harakonje. So Harashushe, Harakonje. And then if you want to say it is not hot, Nabo Harashushe. Nabo Harashushe. This is it is not hot. And then for it is not cold, as you can tell, it's not cold today. So that is Nabgo Hakonje. It's not Harakonje, it's Hakonje. So when you say it is cold, you say Harakonje. When you say it is not cold, Nabgo Hakonje. So Imvura Yaguye. Imvura Yaguye means did it rain today? Imvura Yaguye. Okay? And then as I said before, mountains is Umusozi and mountains plural is Imisozi. Imisozi plural. Many mountains, as you can tell over here. So Hari Ibichu, it is cloudy. And if you hear this on the weather, you probably hear weatherman or somebody on Amakuru on the news saying Uyu munsi waranzwe n'ibicu biganje muntara y'amajyepfo. That's too complicated. Just wanted to scare you off. That's usually what they would say in the weather channel. Today's day is characterized by a bit cloudy in the southern region. I'm not expecting you to learn that, but with the few words I gave you, I look forward to hear back from you. Email me, subscribe, share the video, like, and we'll talk later. Bye bye.
This station, this studio. Agendo kulala bule munga zinamu anyenya gali bentole. Dance on this latest new chapter raga. The hand in the air nga bayidwa mafuta. Pull up pastor me say this new chapter raga. Kamba kokone raga wabule ono muntu atoma. Abakido kufeta matumbe baziza. Baba nemeso paraga kan maskiri sisa. New chapter them sibani manguye kapya. Kamya komba kaya nisino competitor. Nibahandi kamuraga mizangu leo. Ezi system zichusiza ngweza wongo. Chino chikabuka kuba chiva kubongo. Ola timno nyoli muzibu nyokwenumba.